people that I know, and she asked me to do these two poems, and I'm going to do them for her. Wherever the ashes may be. I am trying to bury your jaw, slightly dislodged, a box open from hinges, hacked by hatchet. Your laugh, string of pearls rising from a shipwreck, thirsting for the last howl of sun, last lap of sequined parade, last gasp of eyelid. I'm trying to bury the tube that wormed its way into belly, the taunt of foods you would never taste again, your hand stiff, curling like a war novena, gnarled choreography of your face. You are still the flambeau, writhing against its bottle, throwing your crutch in the mouth of a motorcycle, singeing asphalt till it blows away. And this next poem, my poems tend to be really short these days, is called When I Say Bazodi. When I say Bazodi, I mean a drum-haunted woman, fly-trap mouth, sucking needles and keloids, giving it easy, giving it wild. I mean a soulmate splaying her open, a soulmate leaving her for the birds, Stockholm Syndrome preached from a lighthouse where lightning charms the sea. What I meant to say is that she is confused. Mixing tar in with the honey, she was at dinner grinding on gunpowder, walked out singing arrows and burnt fields. The warpath coughed up a dress of smoke and she couldn't wear it. No more than you can wear your father's insignia of scars. No more than you can touch a woman without raising her to dust. I meant to tell her that crazy depends on how you water your body. And that everyone leans in a tilted room. And this room is a dizzy ring shout. It is churning heirlooms and their ghosts. It is spitting bones and maps marked like skin. Thank you.